How to add glow in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, import your clip into the timeline and make sure it's selected. Then, go to the color page by clicking the color tab at the bottom of the interface. Next, in the nodes area, right click and choose add node. Then add serial to create a new node where you will apply the glow. After that, with the new node selected, head to the Open FX panel on the right. Scroll down and search for glow and drag it onto the selected node. You should instantly see a glowing effect on your video. Now it's time to customize the glow. In the inspector, you'll find options like shiny regions, glow alone, and glowing image. Shiny regions controls which parts of the image will emit the glow. Glow alone isolates the glowing parts, allowing you to focus the effect only on the brightest areas without affecting the rest of the image. And glowing image adjusts how the glow integrates with the rest of the image, ensuring it blends naturally and doesn't overpower the scene. Start by adjusting the shape and spread, color and composite, and other options to control what areas of the image will glow. And that's it. Now you know how to add glow in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.